Our aspirations are our possibilities. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Welcome to the era of development, where safety and security meet aesthetics. Kitchen gadgets, tools, and instruments have met a major change. Then why not your LPG cylinder? After 6 long decades, your favorite companion is undergoing a makeover. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the new age 2.0 composite cylinder that comes packed with several features. Lightweight and ergonomic. It is 50% lighter than the traditional steel cylinder and easy to handle. The translucent design indicates the level of LPG present. You can now plan and order your next cylinder with ease. Beautifully designed to add to your kitchen aesthetics. Freedom from rust stains on the floor. Explosion-proof and UV protected. All thanks to the composite layer of polymer-wrapped fiberglass fitted with an HDPE outer jacket. All to add that special zing to your kitchen. What's more, Indane composite LPG cylinders come in convenient 5 kg and 10 kg sizes. Indane composite LPG cylinders, exclusively made for kitchens in India, adding convenience and safety, providing a smart and modern presence in your kitchen. A smart solution for a modern kitchen.